Hey guys, in this video, I'll be showing you how to remove green screen, export it as a transparent clip, and then import it to your video. To get started, import your green screen footage to your timeline. You can download one in the description below. Go to the Effects panel, search for Ultra key, and drag and drop it onto your video. Go to the Effect Controls panel, and under Ultra key tab, click on the color picker icon, and select the green screen color to remove it. To remove this black background, click on this setting icon and enable the transparency grid. Now let's export it. Go to File, Export, Media, or you can use the shortcut keys Command or Ctrl+M. Choose an output name. I'll call mine Transparent Sub. Choose your export location. Change your format to QuickTime. And leave your preset to custom. Then, click this drop-down arrow and under Video Codec, select the Apple ProRes 4444 XQ preset. Then click here for more settings. Scroll down and under Depth, select 16-bit with alpha for higher quality. Then enable render at maximum depth and check use maximum render quality. Then export. We can just import it into our project and drag it onto our footage. That's it for this tutorial. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below and don't forget to subscribe for more video editing tutorials. Kwaheri.